look like so far. And then top part of your square, you're just going to cut out here to here. Stop right here. Go over. And down. Put some hot glue right in the center. And then take your end piece here and fold it over till it hits that point right in the center. Fold this end right over until it just hits the center as well. It's so cute so far. Take your hot glue gun and put some more glue right here in the center and fold over this. So it's kind of like a pinwheel hairbow a little bit. And then fold this end over. Take your end and then cut just a little bit off. Put more glue down in the center and fold over your center. And then flip, put a little bit of glue on that edge and fold. So that's it. That's how to make an infinity hairbow. I'm so glad you joined us to watch this video with us. Thank you so much. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and y'all have a great day. Bye.